This is a walkthrough of how to install the SurchX extension for Magento Commerce 1. Starting from the Magento Commerce 1 login page, enter your admin credentials and log in. Then at the top, hover over System, Magento Connect, and then click Magento Connect Manager. Here you will enter your credentials a second time due to the advanced functionality. As you can see, the SurchX extension is not currently installed, so start by unchecking this first box. This puts it in a maintenance mode, just in case that maintenance flag doesn't get removed as it's supposed to. Now choose the file and then upload it. This is the message you should see if it's installed successfully. Now we'll refresh and then check to see if the extension appears in the list here. And as you can see, it's right there at the bottom. Now we're going to return to our admin page and then log out. By logging out, it clears the prior session, so make sure you do this or you will get an error. Now log back in using your credentials and go to System and then Configuration, and we now see the SurchX tab with the SurchX settings option, so go ahead and click that. And now we have some settings here. We will switch this to Enable, and in this case we will be connecting to our test API, and then enter your unique SurchX API token. Once all that is entered, we will go ahead and save config. And now let's test our cart to make sure it works. So we will add these to the cart, and as you can see, the transaction fee is showing up, but it's at $0. This is because you need to enter the credit card information before it will apply the proper transaction fee. So now let's proceed to checkout and enter all the necessary shipping and billing info. When you get to payment information, select credit card and enter the card info, and you will see the proper transaction fee is now itemized within the cart. And that's it. If you have any questions, contact SurchX today.